Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's doing good. Today we're going to make a cute little beehive using this ice cream cone cup from Dollar Tree. This is a really cute ice cream cone cup, so you might want to buy an extra one to use and then one to make your little beehive with. But you're also going to need two of the Dollar Tree nautical rope, the 9.5 feet inch nautical rope to do this little beehive. Now I'm just adding a dot of hot glue and going to make a loop for the very top of the beehive. And you might want to put on some hot glue finger guards when you do this. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. This is very simple. You're just going to place your rope in the hot glue and you're just going to wrap it nice and tight in a circle. Now I did add quite a bit of hot glue on mine. I would put some hot glue down, then put the rope in it, put some hot glue down, place the rope in it. Just try to get it nice and close together. And you could spray paint the ice cream if you wanted to first before you actually start adding rope. That way you don't have to worry about any of the colors showing through. Right now, bees are very popular, so I thought it was a good time to make a little beehive, especially since the ice cream is the perfect shape for a little beehive. And it's not that big. It's probably what I would consider a medium-sized beehive. Now, I've seen a lot of cute beehives. Some people like to use like a flower pot or maybe an Easter egg, so there's lots of different ways to make your beehive, but I think this one turned out really cute using the top of the little ice cream cone cup from Dollar Tree. So just make sure everything has time to dry. And then for the little hole, I used the Waverly chalk paint in the color Truffle. I just painted a circle. On my next beehive, I will probably use black paint instead of this color because it's just not hardly dark enough. So I think my next one I'll use black paint. And you do have this much rope left, and that's just the right amount of rope to outline the little circle. So if you're making yours bigger, you'll need to buy more than two of the nautical ropes. But if you're just making a small one like I did here, two ropes work out perfect. Also, it would be cute to do a double outline of the little hole too. Now, I could not find any cute bees to add to mine, and so I did have to use some buttons that were ladybugs, and I just painted them to look like little bees. But before I did that, I took some Dollar Tree wildflowers and I just pulled them into smaller pieces, and then I just started gluing them, hot gluing them to the top of the little beehive. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. Let them have time to dry. Then to finish the look off, I went around the top with some of the leaves. If you have found some really cute little bees, let me know in the comment section where you purchased them because I would like to have a few. So just remember, you can use whatever type flowers that you would like to decorate the top of your little beehive. And then I did use some ladybug buttons to turn into my little bees, which they didn't turn out too great, but they'll work. And so here I'm just showing you how it looks when you pick it up. So it's cute from every angle. So it'd be cute to put on a table and maybe use as a centerpiece and then put flowers and cute things around the little beehive. And you still have a cup that you can use to drink your favorite summer drink out of. And so I just placed it on a cake plate and then I just added some Dollar Tree flowers around it.